Oh, some say the system of intellectual property may be used as a spear or as a shield in a highly competitive business environment. The importance of intellectual property is increasing steadily day by day, month by month, and year by year as thousands, perhaps tens of thousands of new technologies are being developed, which are being used for improving or adding new features to existing products or creating absolutely new products. Today, we are going to find out why intellectual property issues are important for exporters, what should be done to prevent IP problems, and how to deal with them effectively and efficiently. When a company plans to export its products to another country, it is crucial to take timely and advanced steps to protect its special features by different tools of the IP system in all the relevant export markets. This will strengthen the position of the exporting company in the export markets. However, failure to take preventive steps for protection of IP and for resolving any disputes regarding may lead to a great loss. Okay, shall we now continue and look at the story of a novel touchpad on laptops, which was copied and abused by competitors in the export market, creating lots of problems. Let's jump into the story now.
Control the laptop with a fingertip. It's our own product, but this is really great. Hello, I am Kenta, CEO of Knox Electronics. In one word, isn't it a revolution from just a fingertip?
Hello. I am Ross, a workhorse of Knox Electronics. Our CEO always picks on me by saying I am a man of small caliber.
Hello, I am Donna, a business partner of Knox Electronics. I am in charge of product distribution and sales into Australia.
Hello, I am Bruce. I am very, very ambitious. Shouldn't one live one's life for oneself? For me, my personal gain always comes first.
Hello, I am Philip. I am responsible for manufacturing the products of Knox Electronics into Australia. Always my own gain comes first. You have a similar creed as I do.
Hello, I am May. Having met all the key characters, are you ready for the story? Well, before we move on, would you please check the following message? Wow, let's start. What is he doing? He looks very suspicious. Hey, what are you doing now? Why are you doing this?
Let me go. Why are you stopping me? Why do you care? I have to kill myself. I need to die. I have lost everything. This is no reason for me to be alive. Let me go.
No! You can't do it! I won't let you do it!
Leave me alone!
I don't know what's going on in your life. Would you please calm down and then tell me what's the matter? To solve your problem, you have to be alive.
I'm living as I am dead. Only a couple of months ago, I had everything I wanted.
The product you are looking at is the revolutionary Talk and Go pad from Knox Electronics. Throw away the mouse. The touchpad era has come. Now you are able to control the screen of a laptop with just a fingertip.
Oh, there is no need to carry the mouse around anymore.
This is marvelous! The cursor follows the movement of the fingertip on the screen.
I really felt like I could own the world. Our company is doing great with the development of the Talk and Go pad. What we have developed is an amazing product. We already own the domestic market, and very soon we would be expanding abroad. I'm sure it'll do just as well in the international markets.
Yes, but when I think of the long period of uncertainty during the research and development stages, it scares me like a nightmare. I just don't want to think of the same time when we were developing Talk and Go.
Yes. Phew. It almost brings me to tears when I think of those times. Come on now, let's concentrate on the future for expanding to Australia. Ross, what is the status of our local partners?
Yes. Today, we should be meeting with the CEOs of the 2 final candidate companies, and they are Donna and Bruce.
All right. Let's take over to Australia as well.
Yes, sir.
But sir, I don't know if I should say this. We do have patent rights in our domestic market.
Yes, and?
I'm just worried. Don't we have to do something to prepare ourselves for going abroad?
There you go again. You will never do big things because you worry too much. We have the patent rights here. What else do we need to prepare? You think someone will imitate Talk and Go? No way. It's Knox Electronics' special and secure technology.
Yes. If you think it's fine by me too. I was just wanting to be sure.
I am honored to meet with people who are interested in our Talk and Go. I have no doubt that both your companies have excellent credentials to be our local partners. I have enjoyed your presentations.
You are so kind. It would be an honor for us to work with Knox Electronics. I am sure your product will also succeed in Australia. We'll help you do that.
This is really great. A product like this will be really hot in international markets.
This isn't that big a deal.
I am wonderstruck just thinking how you developed such great technology. I want to know more about your product. Would it be possible to look at some sketch or any other related documents?
Well, I don't know whether you'll be able to understand it.
No, I used to be a researcher once upon a time. Don't you think becoming more familiar with the product would help to generate bigger sales?
In a way, I am a bit curious too.
Well, if you really feel that way. Ross, you've got the documents, right? Show them the documents.
What? Are you sure? These are confidential documents, and would it be wise to do so before drawing up the contracts?
Oh, if it's too much trouble, it's all right.
It's all right. You are unnecessarily getting worried. Just show them the documents.
Here.
Wow! So this is how it works. This is really cool. How did you come up with this idea?
Well, I look forward to our business.
We'll be waiting for your decision.
The business to enter foreign markets and export goods and services abroad is not without risks and challenges. Therefore, it requires careful planning and execution. When faced with all these questions prior to launching a product in an export market, exporters often forget to consider intellectual property issues. This may prove costly and should be tackled by exporters before it is too late. What intellectual property issues should be taken into consideration when developing an export plan? What are the most common IP mistakes that should be avoided by exporters? Click each item to see the details. Exporters often realize about the importance of protecting their IP once it is too late. For example, once they are faced with imitators or counterfeiters, or once they are accused of infringing the rights of others. Some of the most common mistakes made by exporters include the following. Click each item to see the details.
Yes, Ross, I'm in Australia. Yes, I am just going to meet Donna. Good reactions, just as you had reported. I'll call you again.
Hello, sir.
Donna, my, you're growing younger and more beautiful. What's the secret?
You are just being polite, right? Anyway, Talk and Go is very popular here also.
Really? It's doing that good?
Yes. Don't you see that I am excited as well? I hear you have to work extra hours every day because of the rapidly increasing sales orders. So, I have been thinking about outsourcing production to a local company. What do you think?
Outsourcing. I was actually thinking about it too. It's very tedious to produce them ourselves and then transport them over, and it's also very expensive.
Yes, that is why I am thinking of outsourcing, and there is a suitable company as well.
Really? If you are that positive, I will have to look into it more seriously now.
Yes, Knox's profit is my profit as well. Then I will try to contact the company first.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
Yes. Now, would you like to take a look around the shop?
Let's go.
Ha! You hum all the time these days, eh? We changed all the laptops in the office to those with Talk and Go.
Really? I'm disappointed that only now you have changed them. Thanks, buddy.
I heard you entered the international market as well. How is it going?
Isn't it obvious? It's Knox Electronics. Our products will do well anywhere.
Of course. I feel good that it's going well.
Anyway, the orders are over the limit now. I think we'll build a local factory and also look for an outsourcing partner.
Really?
What's the matter?
I'm not too sure, but I heard you need to be careful when you go abroad when you outsource. We are not a very big company. I heard there are so many factors to consider before outsourcing or exporting.
Really?
Yeah, I know someone who expanded abroad not too long ago, but failed miserably as he had not done his homework properly. Be very careful just about everything.
It's all right. Don't you know who I am? I'm Kenta.
Still.
It's been a long time since we last met, and I feel great. What's the matter? Let's stop talking about the business and start enjoying the evening. Cheers! Yep! We have great expectations as well. Let's work this out. Yes, I'll come to see you then. Please prepare the relevant documents and arrange a factory inspection as well. Yep, okay. Bye-bye then.
Did you talk to him on the phone?
Yes. Now that we have decided on the outsourcing company, we just need to make some quick sales.
Did you have fun with your friend yesterday?
Yesterday? Yeah, it was good. Man, but he nags me so much. He worries too much. Just like you.
Uh-huh. Worry? Worry about what?
He said there are a lot of things to consider before jumping into international expansion or outsourcing. Something about secrecy or confidentiality agreement and patent rights, blah, blah, blah. So I just told him that there is nothing to worry about. I'll take care of everything myself.
Maybe you should listen to your friend.
Come on now. Go and prepare well for the business trip.
The first step to take when exporting is to ensure that your product will not be infringing on the IP rights of others in the export market. This type of analysis is called a freedom to operate analysis, and depending on the product in question, may consist of a basic trademark search or a thorough investigation involving various IP rights. If your search uncovers patents that protect technology that is incorporated in your product, you have the following options. Click each item to see the details.
Bravo! Bravo! Beer really tastes good today. Oh yeah, you must have been really tired, having flown all the way to here, and then you even inspected the factory. Enjoy your drink, and just forget about the business. I'm your man now. You are very affable. Let's make this work. Thank you very much, sir. Do you like the factory? Very satisfied indeed. We need your help to take over the world markets. Of course. Lead me along, sir. Let's have some fun tonight. I'll treat you all night long. Just take care of the contract for me tomorrow. Oh, yes, of course. Nothing to worry about. I have faith in you. We are partners now. Cheers. Darn alcohol.
You just signed without carefully reading the contract? Not only should you have insisted on a secrecy clause to protect the technology and know-how you are sharing, but also a clause to grant back any improvements to the technology, protected by the secrecy clause in the agreement.
I was trusting him so much. I was very reckless at that moment. I should have paid more attention. I was a damn fool.
Outsourcing offshore has become a popular corporate strategy. It refers to an enterprise making an arm's-length alliance with one or more entities or enterprises abroad to perform carefully selected operations and day-to-day processes that were previously done in-house. Most important fact related to IP and offshore outsourcing is that outsourcing requires the sharing of a wide array of proprietary knowledge.
Let's toast! Today's success was possible because of all of you.
Cheers!
Donna, you've put in so much effort.
No, I feel embarrassed.
All right. Let's all forget about the work for today and enjoy the evening.
There you go.
Wow, isn't this Talk and Go? This is our product. It's the famous Talk and Go. How do you like it? Good?
Yes, very comfortable. I thought you said you make these, but you aren't pronouncing it right. It's Tack and Go, not Talk and Go.
What? What do you mean?
What are you talking about? It should be Talk and Go. Oh my God. Kenta, take a look at this. It's really not Talk and Go. It's Tack and Go.
Come on. What are you talking about? Are you drunk? May I have a look?
Sure.
No way. This can't be right. Are you trying to say our products are being imitated?
Huh? What are you talking about?
What the hell is going on in this world? Oh.
Yes, Knox Electronics. Yes.
Knox Electronic... What? What did you say?
I didn't think it was likely. What is going on? Find out if there's anything we can do, all right?
Okay.
Hello, Knox Electronics.
What is going on? Our products are being returned.
Donna, I'm sorry. I'm looking for a solution.
Solution? I have already found out. Remember that guy, Bruce? That other guy you met when you met us together while you were deciding on whom to take as a local partner? He was smart in quickly registering as a trademark a similar brand called Tech & Go by imitating your brand.
What? No way!
What are you going to do now? Tech & Go is all over the place already. It's much cheaper than our product, too.
To be honest, I had no idea that a patent, or for that matter a trademark, is valid only for the country or territory in which it is granted or registered. That is, rights follow the principle of territoriality. Having obtained the patent rights and registered our trademark in our home country, I always thought that this protection was obviously valid abroad as well. If it's not too late, then we should immediately register our patent and the trademark right now in all our current and future export markets. But please, give me some time to think through this issue.
Just waiting is not going to solve any problem. I understand your concerns, but I don't think we can just wait or think about these issues. I can't do business with you in this situation.
No way. Donna, just wait for a while. I'm going to break his neck!
The procedure for obtaining IP protection in different countries can vary significantly. Therefore, it is important to be well informed about the national procedures and legislation at each stage of the application process. There are essentially three alternative procedures for applying for IP protection in other countries: the national route, the regional route, the international route. Let's look over the national route first. The WIPO-administered systems of international filing and registration simplify greatly the process for simultaneously seeking IP protection in a large number of countries. WIPO-administered systems of international protection include three different mechanisms of protection: the Patent Cooperation Treaty, the Madrid System, and the Hague Agreement.
You won't be able to break the door that way. I told you I don't have time. So why have you come here all the way when I cannot see you?
What? Are you kidding me? Tack and Go? Do you think I am stupid? You had taken an unusual amount of interest in asking for the sketches and all. I should have known then. With hindsight, I can see everything very clearly now. Right now.
Hey, look. Hold on a minute. I had registered my own trademark long before you. Who are you to say things like that? I also haven't been sleeping enough lately while developing the technology for Tack and Go. You should have registered first if you feel victimized. That is all I have to say now. Please, leave me alone. I have to get on with my business.
What?
Is there any way to solve this problem? Nothing can be done at this point? What? What did you say? There is already a granted patent for a similar product in Australia? Magic Pad? Who owns the patent? Philip? Did you just say Philip?
How is it going?
Philip.
What? Just tell me.
Well, Philip produced a similar product to ours called Magic Pad and has got it patented in Australia.
What? What are you talking about? Philip did what? How can you do this? Oh, Kenta, what's going on? I already told you that we cannot continue our business. How dare you steal our secret and do this? How can you betray us like this?
So, what do you want to do now? Let's go by the law if you feel this is unfair. But it won't be easy. There is no secrecy clause, and there is no agreement on sharing or returning the rights to any improved technology. Well, I'm rather very busy at this moment. Talk to you later. Take care.
No!
Yeah, many companies make similar mistakes.
Mistakes? No, this surely is a tragedy. I'm done. I'm finished. Ah!
In fact, there are countless number of businesses that fail every day. There also are numerous companies like Knox Electronics, which develop world-class competitive technologies, but still get damaged because they are not fully aware of the basics of intellectual property rights in the international context. Especially businesses that enter international markets get badly burned. What if Kenta had paid more attention to matters concerning intellectual property rights before going abroad? Amongst the first things he should have got done was a freedom to operate search in the export markets, such as a trademark search, a design search, and a suitable patent search. He should then have taken steps to get the relevant trademark, design, or patent protected in those markets. Also, he should not have been so careless as to share his confidential documents before entering into a binding confidentiality agreement with a potential international partner. Could anything worthwhile have been done when they discovered Bruce's imitations? They probably could have taken some legal countermeasures, but they would have been from a position of weakness, since they had no registered rights, nor had they protected their confidential information. They also failed to prevent similar problems when they decided to outsource. They should have been more careful about protecting their trade secrets and any potential improvements to their technology. Philip went on to become a successful competitor by patenting and independently exploiting Magic Pad. He could have been prevented had they taken due precautions while preparing the contract for outsourcing production. I hope you have grasped the important role of IP in international trade. I don't really have to stress once again the fact that intellectual property rights can and often do play an important role in the success of a business in international trade, right? Next time, we are going to learn about IP audit. See you next time.